Best Jamaican Dancehall Artists for 2019. We're midway the year, and who are the leading dancehall acts so far? This is a list featuring the top 5 artists in dancehall for 2019 in no special order, whether it be through its songs or controversy, and even both. These are the top 5 dancehall artists of 2019 so far with half of the year gone. The list comprises some of the familiar names like Popcorn and Vybz Kartel, as well as some new faces like Coffee, Chronic Law, and Squash. The dancehall genre is going through an era similar to the 1990s when we saw the breakout of some big acts like Shabba Ranks, Bounty Killer, Beenie Man, Buju Banton, and many more.
Somebody say sex is real!
Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button. And remember to turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. Number 5. Coffee. We have all run out of praises for this breakout star. Her rise to prominence has been so immediate it's almost incredible. Her blockbuster breakout hit Toast is dominating reggae charts worldwide and also got featured in Jordan Peele's box office hit Us. Her Rapture EP topped the Billboard reggae charts along with her feature on Apple Music Up Next program with Ebro's highly acclaimed radio show. She is set for big things, the new hope of Jamaican music, a reggae princess, Coffee. Number 4. Vybz Kartel. Due to his work ethic alone, the incarcerated DJ leads the pack with big hits like Any Weather, Ready, Millennium Gallus, and Can't Kill We, to name a few released singles, which have amassed millions of views, not to mention music videos he dropped for songs like Shape Nice, featuring Afro B, Come Home, and Any Weather, which has all placed high on YouTube's trending charts. How he continues to do it, nobody knows, not even Vybz Kartel, cause he said it, not even I know how I do it. But Gaza still a beat them bad. Number 3. A new face onto the dancehall scene. Out of Montego Bay, known as the Six Boss, Squash. Bursting onto the scene as the leader of the Six movement, Squash has since then had a chokehold on the dancehall game, with hits like Trending and Money Fever last year. This year, he proceeded to release the highly anticipated videos for these songs, which have gotten rave reviews, along with recent hit singles. 2 of those came with Vybz Kartel with songs Can't Be The Same and Beat Them Bad, both of which are hit songs, all while leading a crew of trending artists like Chronic Law and Bobby Six, and until recently, Javilani as well. It has come to the realization of Elite Jamaica that the Six is actually real. Number 2. Popcorn. This artist needs no introduction. The now OVO label resident is easily identifiable as one of dancehall's best. 2019 has been no different. He has produced hits such as Traumatized, in which he addressed the death of his friend Shaggle in his house while he was away on tour, a highly emotional track which gives his fans a much welcomed insight into his mindset following the incident. Other songs like Unstoppable and Unruly Law have also made big impressions on the local scene. So you know what? Trouble did it. Number 1. Out of St. Thomas, Chronic Law, also known as the Law Boss. What can I say about this new artist? Nothing but good so far. Great lyrics, melodies, and a unique subject matter. Chronic Law is the new sensation in dancehall. He releases a new song each day, all of which are celebrated by the younger audience and the streets. He is definitely on his way to dancehall superstardom if he keeps it up. It's like Hillside and Can't Kill We with Vybz Kartel carry the hit power, while his other songs are getting serious rotation in the street. Well done, Law Boss. St. Thomas to the world. Thank you for joining me again, guys. I really do hope you found this video interesting. If so, please give it a thumbs up and a like. And remember to subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking that red subscribe button. And you can also turn on notifications, which you must do in order to get all my updates, by clicking that blue bell icon. Until then, I am Alex. Bless.